Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MJNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a routine basis, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And not anything really new to report in terms of, new levels of support or new levels of resistance or anything like that. But just want to get, kind of do a quick recap as, today is election day. All the voting is taking place and all that. So, hey, Clay, what do you think is going to go on, for tomorrow? I have no idea, but the easiest way to kind of measure the story, what does actually occur and whether or not it's the bears showing some strength or the bulls showing some strength, is just to keep focused on the levels that we've been talking about. And for those of you that, if this is your first video, well then we'll talk about the bottom of the channel right here, which is at 13 cents. That's kind of the key part of this little miniature channel pattern that has started to form right here. But even if 13 cents can't quite hold, for you longer time viewers, hopefully you still remember, that you have that pink line down there. Although at this point in time, they're not the same, but I think we can all agree they're pretty darn close to one another at this point. So, the bottom portion of that, the chart is, the levels of support. So, I mean, if the markets the pot stock market as a whole enjoys it, the outcome, whatever that may be, and then let alone MJNA as a stock, if the market likes the outcome, whatever that outcome is going to be, I'm not trying to insult anyone's intelligence, but of course these levels of support are going to hold, right? If the news is, if the results are bullish, if the market feels as though they're bullish, well then yeah, of course support levels are going to hold. And on the flip side, then 19 cents shouldn't really stand a chance. I mean, if the results are favorable and that's how the market views them, well then yes, that right now 19 cents is a level of resistance, but you wouldn't think that it's going to be much of a resistance, assuming the market, in this stock in particular, if it finds those, results as bullish. So levels of support, 13 cents, level of resistance, 19 cents. And really, it's just, like I said, literally a wait and see. I mean, the charts, that's why I love charts. It makes things very easy. If the market likes what it hears, if the market likes the results, well, then those resistance levels aren't going to stand a chance. If the market doesn't like what the results are, if MJNA, doesn't like the results of the votes, then that support level doesn't hold a chance. So we'll see what happens with it, but those are definitely the two key levels to keep an eye on. So we'll see how it all unfolds. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interest in and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.